Selassie say, how the whole of you look alike and calling up my name and yet you no segregate? He carry money to give them in their hand. And he couldn't give them because they was so illiterate that if him give the money, he's going to give one house. And when Selassie gone, he going to make it look like him is individual for that house. And him is not illiterate, he couldn't give them. He give the government and beg the government to help them. And the government spend it the politics way and don't help them. And as Selassie gone and gone back and smoke ganja, beat drum, wear red, green and gold, bag of hair, and fresh food, and said that is Rasta. Selassie said no. In this dispensation, there is no other way out besides money and education. I cannot help you make school and school on yourself and school on picnic them and with money and education. That is the only way of come out of your separation in this dispensation. It's not smoke ganja and beat drum and fresh food and bag of hair. These things cannot help no one. Nobody sensible not going to take side with them. When them say go, they go say Selassie roll thunder, and a him shine sun, and a him fall rain, and a him put moon and star. No, everything dial, and everything video. And when you go back over, all of the other kingdom see it, and get vexed. I say, well, and you want another Jesus. You have so much people over the world, I say, yeah, God, you have to prove it. And fly warplane over the man base and drop dangerous gas. Dangerous boom on the man and say you are God. And I know the man says so. Is this long ear, rust, illiterate boy them run out of airport and say man I gotta make them kill him, you know.
I do, man. I do.
And after them kill him still I say them not dead, him not dead. And from that man dead, nobody never hear about him again. Nobody never see him. And them still die saying that exile hide. But illiterate people and possess this place, man.
Possess literate.
Why have been hurt, man?
A true man. Real talk fire.
And some of them know, no, Selassie and Jesus' name is these two names they take and segregate the black race and make the enemy rule over them. You have Bingi, you have Bobo, you have Orthodox, you have 12 tribes, the whole of them praising Selassie. Why they don't walk under one banner? Just true is no that's not a way of making 2 shillings.
2 shillings, simple.
It's the founder, the organization benefit. If he was mechanic, if he was mason, if he was carpenter before he found the organization, after found the organization, he do these work no more. He said depend upon his members and he depend upon his organization. And for one man getting so much people support, him end up have more way him can manage. He's a thief! Him fi hang! The Jesus business, you have Pentecostal, you have Baptist, you have Church of God, you have Methodist. The whole of them praising Jesus, they no walk under one banner. It's just another way of making 2 shillings. And they make them rich quick. The founder, him is the general. Him house big, in car fat, in land well cut, fridge full, and remember them a suffer. A fucking man like that must catch him and hang him by the light post. Make the world come see him up there. So God and Bible and Holy Righteous is one of the biggest threats to the black and them generation. That's what they take and segregate them and set them against each other. That then headmen can rule over them. Majority rule, minority have to follow. If them should unite, all nations down have to bow to them. Because them is majority.
Simple logics.
And it's the God and Bible they take and segregate them. God and separate them and set them for fight tag of war. That is the only way the enemy could rule over them. No, and them cannot see that. The people have eyes and them blind and the people have ears and then deaf. It's a set of hypocrite.
True, man.
They start from into the school. They grade them up. 1 grade, 2 grade, 3 grade. For some feel more important than some. What a segregation that again.
From the basic it start from.
From way down at the school, the basic school it start from. To the politics. People's National Party mean keep the people's poor. JLP mean jail them, beat them and prison them. And we two going to come together and hold them tight. And then divide them with that again.
True, man.
Tell them down upon them with all quality manner of evil just forget to rule over them.
And black people still blind.
From the school to the church to the politics. That's what they take and set them against each other. United we stand, divided we fall. We is majority. If we unite, all nation down for bow to us. And that is a threat to the enemy.
It's simple.
So that's why him try to segregate them, that him can rule over them. So people, I want you to listen and learn. Whoever hears to hear, let them hear. And whoever has to see, let them see. But some shall hear the truth and know the truth. And still them neck and harden their heart against it. Hold on to them. Death and destruction